started 50 years ago. It's a philanthropy put on by the Greek Orthodox Church, and it really helps out with the day-to-day operation of the church, as well as a philanthropy for the School of Math and Science, Penelope House, Bay Area Food Bank. The community's been very responsive. It's just been beautiful. The Lord's blessed us, that's for sure.
I'm Patty Panayiotou. I'm with the Greek Orthodox community. We have been here for 100 years. We just celebrated our centennial, and this is our 50th Greekfest. And we love putting on Greekfest and sharing our culture and all the wonderful food with the greater Mobilian community.